This is one you will need to see and feel in person. Here we have the Excel range with a distinct European edge and a textured finish that will bring a little slice of Europe into your home. The warmth of the timber pairs beautifully with all other cabinetry, creating the modern yet timeless look that you've been dreaming of. The Excel cabinetry comes in horizontal grain or the more popular vertical grain, and our customers are loving what the Excel range brings to their homes. It's a real hands-on experience. You need to see and feel these impressive laminates to really understand how brilliant they are. From teak to oak, the Kitchen Shack range is seriously impressive and easy on the budget. Our Excel kitchen here is paired with our new mirror stone benchtop in the Capri colour. This is an acrylic 20mm. It's a silica-free option. Come into our showroom and see what options we have available.